Okay, welcome to Shabit Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitswamba, and this is my telephone number. This is our email at elearning@shabit.net. So we are still looking at the different questions and how we can approach them. That is concerned with place values and also finding the value when you have understood how to get a place value of a number. So we have been looking at different questions, and in these questions we have been seeing how they always ask and how they always trick us such that we can get confused, but with this we shall be able to clearly handle all and see these different questions. For example, in some of our questions that we have been answering, they have been tricking us. They say find the value of this, so we have been able to see how do we really get the value when you know the place value. So we also have another challenge here. They are saying find the sum of the value of the underlined words. You can see now how they have asked. This one is totally different from the other one. So here also we shall still use the same method. Remember, when they talk about finding the sum, that means they are talking about addition. Okay, so our best way to answer out this question is to ensure that we first understand the place values of these numbers. For example, we have our 4, we have our 6, we have our 7 here, we have our 2 here, we also have our 5 here, we also have our 3 here. So which numbers are underlined? We have a 5 and also have a 7. So they want us to find the sum of values of the underlined numbers. So that simply means we shall be able to look at these specific numbers which are underlined, and we get the sum of them, which is addition. We shall add them. So this simply means we shall first get their place values, and also after getting their place values, then we shall be able to add them. Let's start one by one. So giving them place value, this is going to be in 1, this is also going to be in tens, 100, okay, then this is also going to be in thousands, okay, this is going to be in what? In 1,000, and also this 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, so we can just choose out our specific one. So we shall be having our 7 as 7 times what? 7 times 1,000. We said this is how we write what? 1,000. So we get the what? We get the product of that, which is 7 what? 7,000. Okay, so we also come here and look at our 5. It is in tens, so we shall say 5. Okay, we shall say our 5 times what? Times 10. Okay, because our 5 in what is in the place value of 10. So here we shall also be able to come up with our 50. Okay, so now we have been able to get the values of 7 and the values of what? Of 5. So now let's come back to the question. They want us to find the sum of values. Okay, we have got the values as 7,050. So now I want to get the sum of what? The sum of these values. So you come and write your value, which is 7,000. Okay, then plus our value of 5, which is 50. Okay, 50, then we make the addition, because when they say sum means what? Addition. So this is going to be our 0, 5 plus 0, we get 5, also here 0, and also there a 7. So this simply means that our answer here is going to be 7 0, 5, then 0. So this is going to be the sum of our values that are underlined, which is a 7 and a 5. Alright, so that is how we can simply answer that. You just only have to know the meaning of this word, which is sum, where sum means what? Addition. So also you have to be able to see the underlined word, not picking the figure which is not underlined. Alright, so we can also have a look at another trick or another question on how they are trying to ask these questions. Okay, so another question is here. In another question, they want us to find the product of the value of the underlined word. Now the other side they were talking about the sum. Now here they are talking about the what? They are talking about the product. So what is this product they are meaning? They want us to find the what? The product. Product means multiplication. Okay, product means multiplication. Okay, product means what? Means multiplication. So this simply means that when they want us to find the product, it's like they want us to get to arrange these numbers, which is a 4, then 8, then 7, then 6. Okay, then our number which is underlined is what? Is 6. We'll still also give them values, place values, 10, then 100. So they want us to get the product of what? The product of this. So when they talk about product, we remember we are saying that means multiplication. So this simply means that we shall get the value of 8, which is underlined. Okay, the value 8 which is underlined. Okay, let me first remove this. It is distracting. We are saying for us to get the product, we shall be able to get our 8 which is underlined. Okay, this is our 8 which is underlined. Then we multiply by its place value, which is 100. Okay, so when you multiply it by 100, so this simply means a product of our underlined what? Our underlined digit. Okay, so this simply means we shall now be able to come up with our 8 what? Our 8. Okay, this is very, very bad. Let me try to write it very well here. Okay, we are going to come up with the product of that. So the product of that will be equal to our 800. Then here our number shall have been solved, because they only wanted the number. They only wanted the product of the value of the underlined what? Underlined word. So we have got the underlined word, underlined number, underlined digits, which is 8, times what? Times its place value, means what? Means the product. Sometimes they are going to ask you about the difference. Okay, difference. When they ask you more about the difference in these numbers, please be able to understand that when they talk about the difference, they are meaning subtraction. Okay, they mean what? They mean subtraction. Okay, so be able to understand and work out such a numbers. So for this, we shall be able now to close our topic and move on to another subtopic. Here I've been looking at finding the value of what? The value of a certain digits using a method of place values. Okay, you get its you get the digit, you multiply by its place value for you to get the what? To get the value. Simple. That's how we can find numbers of such a kind. So for this, let me say Thank you very much for being part of this lesson, and please be able to subscribe, comment, also to tell us your view on how we can make this, or on the some of the lessons that maybe you still need more. We can be able to make them for you. So this is my telephone number, and this is our email, that is elearning@shareability.net. God bless you so much. Nice moment.